You can tell from the sound of the whistling pot that it's coffee time. And I've got Sabrina, the coffee barista here, who's going to show us how to professionally, or she's going to instruct me how to professionally make coffee with the Neo, Flair, handcrafted espresso, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. So that's what this is. Now this is going to take us not very much time to make a shot of espresso, which is going to be like, what are we going to end up with? 1 ounce of dark something or whatever? Or we're going to make a delicious Americano. So this is a professional coffee scale. Mm-hmm. And you turn it on. What did you call that?
That's the power button.
She is a coffee professional. And you've got this set for grams.
Yes.
Okay.
And then you tare it.
You tear it. That's the word I was looking for. What does that mean, tear it?
You just bring it to 0.
Bring it to 0. And we want to get this to 11 or 12 grams. You got a steady hand there, so I can see you've done this about 5 million times.
Give or take.
Because how long did you work in a coffee shop?
Too long to count.
Alrighty, so we got it on 11 there. So you're giving it a shake, leveling it out. Mm-hmm. And then you're going to gently tamp it down. You don't need to put any elbow grease into that.
Not too much.
Not too much. Because you want it to be loose enough for the water to pass through.
Correct.
Okay. So now we've got our ground coffee ready. The little handy dandy filter. Now we've got it in there in the shotgun. And this is for the hot water. You can just barely make it out there, a little line in there, and you want to fill it up to that line. Oh, this is a great shot. This looks like some Ridley Scott action going on here. So you take the thing, and then you put on the other thing. Okay. And now you've got this lever.
Ready? Yes.
All right. Flair, for the Neo Flair Espresso, handcrafted Espresso 5000.
So the idea is just gently but consistently.
Yes.
That's how a good marriage works too. I don't know, that sounds like delicious coffee or my grandpa. So you just hold it down until the water starts to glub, glub, glub. And
oh, look at
catch
that.
the dregs. Now look at that. An Americano, all that is, just an espresso shot with hot water added. And you add as much water as you like for the strength of the coffee you desire. So let's go ahead and clean this up. Get down here. We just pull this whole thing off.
I would do it over.
Okay. I don't know how to clean this up, so I'm going to enjoy my hot cup of coffee, and we're going to let Sabrina do the cleanup. Okay. There isn't going to be a mess, although there's going to be a little bit of drippy drip. Huh?
A little drip. All right. And then we just take this.
Okay, so you got out your grounds.
So just rinse it.
And then we're just going to rinse all the pieces off.
That's it. Pretty easy peas.
Well, I would think barista gets, I guess, the second cup of coffee since the first one is already being drunk. Ding! Sarcastic high five.
Do you want to help us make some coffee? What did you used to make coffee with? Are the instructions drawn on a cave wall?
I know.
That is great.
A lot of that has to do with your coffee. I mean, the contraption, you can have whatever contraption, but the main thing is you want to have nice coffee.
You should get a cut for that.
Huh?
From the company.
No. She's going to get exposure.
Well, that's good.
That's not exposure.
Are y'all okay?
Show them.
Are you going to be a productive part of this video?
Not productive, no.
And okay.